Alright, we continue geometric interpretation of the cross product. Okay, next page, page 34. Okay, look at the definition. If vector A and vector B are non-zero vectors in R3 that are not multiples of one another, then vector A cross vector B is orthogonal to both vector A and B. Okay, what does mean that? It means, okay, let's say this is vector A and then this is vector B. Okay, so we want to find the new vector. Okay, we want to find the new vector which is orthogonal. What is mean by orthogonal? It is perpendicular. Okay, we want to find the new vector which is orthogonal with these two vectors. With these two vectors, we want to find the new vector that orthogonal, which is perpendicular with these two vectors. Perpendicular with these two vectors. Okay, by what? By crossing. Use cross product, vector A cross vector B. And then this bila kita dah buat cross product, then we can get the new vector here. Okay, the new vector which is orthogonal with these two vectors. Okay, itu maksud dia. Okay, geometric interpretation of the cross product. Ini maksud dia. Alright. So look at example 16. Example 16, to find a vector that is orthogonal to both vector V and W. So we know that let's say this is vector V. Again, this is vector W. Okay, so dalam soalan tu, find a vector that is orthogonal with these two vectors. So that orthogonal, that means kat sini lah vector dia. We want to find the new vector. We want to find the new vector, okay, that it is orthogonal with these two vectors V and W. Okay, by what? By using the cross product, vector V cross vector W. Macam tu. Alright. So kalau tengok pada solution dia tu, okay, dia dah siap ada solution. Then you have to use a cross product. Cross product, that means by using determinants. Okay, by using determinants. Okay, kalau tengok pada solution dia, dia dah calculate using determinants for I, J and K. Okay, macam sebelah ni saya ada tunjuk. Okay, solution dia using determinants. Then you bila calculate akan dapat negative 29 minus 12 plus 11K. Good. So this is a new vector. Okay, this is a vector that orthogonal with vector V and W. Alright, you faham now? So for example 17, find a vector perpendicular to the plane of P, Q and R. Okay, yang ni example 17 ni dia bagi point saja. Dia bagi point. Let's say this is point P, Q and R. Okay, this is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, so dia nak find a new vector. Find a vector that perpendicular with this plane P, Q, R. Maksudnya which is orthogonal with this plane. Kat sinilah orthogonal dia. Maksud perpendicular tu. With this plane P, Q, R. Okay, perpendicular, yang ni perpendicular kat sini. Yang ni perpendicular. So dia nak kita cari a vector. So nak cari vector by using cross product. Okay, by using cross product. Tapi dia bagi point saja. Bila dia bagi point, so we have to find the vector first. Okay, let's say we want to find the vector PQ. Okay, kalau macam ni contohnya. Boleh nampak dah? Okay, so ni P, this is Q, this is P, this is R. So we have to find the vector PQ first, and then PR. Okay, first find the vector. Sebab yang dia bagi ni adalah point saja. Dalam soalan tu dia bagi point saja. Okay, so we have to find the vector. How to find the vector? Okay, let's say we want to find the vector PQ. So dia dah bagi dah point dia. P is 1, 2, negative 2, 3. Q is 4, 1, -2, and then R is -2, -3, 0. Okay, so nak cari vector for PQ. It doesn't matter kalau awak nak cari QR or QP, ataupun awak nak cari RP ataupun RQ. It doesn't matter. Sebab apa? Sebab value dia sama saja. Okay. Okay, kalau sebelum ni saya asyik calculate PQ, PR kan. Sebenarnya sama saja. Awak calculate QP, QR ataupun RP, RQ, nilai dia sama saja. The last answer, nilai dia sama saja. Okay. So, for PQ, macam sebelum ni saya ajar, from point P to point Q, kita nak cari vector PQ. That means point Q minus point P. We have to find the distance. Okay, to get the vector PQ. So, when Q is 4, 1, -2, minus P is 1, -2, 3. Okay, then you calculate 4 minus 1, you get 3. 1 minus -2. Negative, positive. So 1 plus 2, you get 3. -2 minus 3, you get -5. Okay, and then vector PR, vector PR. Okay, point R minus point P. -2, -3, 0, minus 1, -2, 3. Okay, so -2 minus 1, you get -3. -3 minus -2. Negative, positive. So -3 plus 2, you get -1. 0 minus 3. So -3. So kita dah dapat dah vector dia, and then do a cross product. Cross product by using this vector lah. These two vectors, vector PQ and vector PR. So PQ cross PR. Okay, so by using apa? Determinant. Okay, first row should be I, J, K. Okay, because we have only two vectors. So, and then the second row should be vector PQ, which is 3, 3, -5. And then the last row should be vector PR, which is -3, -1, -3. And then do concept determinants macam ni. Okay, yang macam sebelum ni saya ada ajar. Okay, saya ada tunjuk konsep determinants tadi. Okay, macam I, J, K. Okay, using determinants. So, the last answer, awak calculate. Try calculate. The last answer should be -14I plus 24J plus 6K. So, this is a vector that perpendicular with the plane of PQR. This is the answer dia. Okay, kalau dalam soalan, dalam jawapan yang dia dah bagi tu, actually dia salah letak positif negatif. Okay, it should be -14 plus 24 plus 6. Okay, saya ada calculate. Saya dah tengok calculation yang lain pun still dia dapat jawapan yang sama. Okay, -14I plus 24 plus 6K. Alright, you faham nah? So, and then next, applications of the cross product. Okay, application of the cross product. Okay, kalau tengok pada notes tu, okay, next page tu, the parallelogram with adjacent sides AB and AC. AB and AC. Okay. We have to use the formula. Okay, kita nak cari area dia. Okay, so for parallelogram, okay, the formula dia, the area, okay, vector AB cross vector AC. And then this one is magnitude. Yang saya lukis double line ni. This is magnitude ataupun length dia. Okay, ingat lagi kan nak cari length dia macam mana? Okay. Okay, what is mean by the parallelogram with adjacent sides AB and AC? Okay, kalau dalam definition tu, that means inilah. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, parallelogram bentuk dia macam mana? Macam ni. Ni bentuk parallelogram. Okay. But we have 3 point. Point A, point B, point C. And then the adjacent sides. The adjacent side vector AB, that means kat sini lah. And vector AC. Adjacent side tu dia maksudnya kat sini. Ni kita panggil adjacent sides. Kita panggil dia adjacent sides. Okay. Vector AB, vector AC. Alright. Dah faham nah? So this is for nak cari area parallelogram. Okay. Vector AB cross AC and then find the length dia. So look at example 18 tu. Okay, find the area of the parallelogram with vertices P, Q and R. Okay, dia dah bagi point dah P, Q and R. Then you have to find the vector first. Dia bagi point saja, dia tak bagi vector. So you have to find the vector. Okay, macam tadi juga saya dah ajar P, Q, R. Okay, so you have to find the vector P, Q and PR first. Okay, kalau awak nak cari Q, P, Q, R, it doesn't matter, sama saja. Nilai dia sama saja. Ataupun RQ, RP, sama saja konsep dia. Okay, so you have to find the vector P, Q and PR. Okay, dalam solution tu dia dah bagi dah jawapan dia. Okay, PQ which is 1, 2, negative 1. PR is negative 2, 2 and 2. Negative 2, 2 and 2. And then okay, ni saya tulis siap-siap lah. Dia punya vector PQ which is 1, 2, negative 1. Okay, and then vector PR which is negative 2, 2, 2. Okay, ni saya tulis siap-siap. And then we have to use cross, nak cari dia punya area parallelogram, we have to do a cross product first. PQ cross PR. Okay, I, J, K. And then the first row, this is the first row. The second row should be vector PQ which is 1, 2, negative 1. And then the last row, vector PR, negative 2, 2, 2. Okay. And then, dalam tu dia dah bagi solution dia. Okay. By using determinant, okay. Okay, cross product using determinant. Okay, awak akan dapat jawapan dia 6I plus 6K. So, after that, after using cross product, and then, barulah awak cari dia punya area dia. Cari area parallelogram dia is the length of PQ cross PR. So, PQ kat sini, PQ cross PR ni yang ni. Dia punya vektor dia. Okay. Dia punya vektor dia 6I plus 6K. So, macam mana formula dia? Square root x square plus y square plus z square. So, we know that x is 6. 6 square plus dengan y dia tak ada kan? Y sepatutnya position vector dia is j. So, y tak ada. So, 0 square plus dengan 6 square. So, 6 square is 36 plus dengan 36. You get square root 72. So, this is the answer. Okay, for example 18. Ni faham nah? Saya tunjuk ni untuk cari area of a parallelogram. Okay. And then, how to find the area of triangle? To find area of triangle, look at example 19. Dia bagi point dia. Okay. Area of triangle, we have to use the formula 1/2 times dengan the length of vector AB cross vector AC. Okay, dia dalam tu dah ada bagi tahu formula dia. So example 19 tu, find the area of triangle with the point P. P is negative 2, 4, 5. Q is 0, 7, negative 4. And then R is negative 1, 5, 0. Allah tak nampak. Okay, sorry. Okay. And then macam biasa, okay, bila dia bagi point, we have to find the vector first. Okay, the vector dia. Okay, we want to find the vector PQ and PR. Up to you kalau awak nak cari QP ataupun QR ataupun RQ, RP. Okay, up to you. Okay, so kalau saya guna PQ. So, find the vector. Macam mana nak cari? Okay, find the distance dia. Okay, point Q minus point P. So, 0, 7, negative 4 minus negative 2, 4, 5. And then, calculate 0 minus negative 2. Negative should be positive 2. Okay, 7 minus 4, you get 3. Negative 4 minus 5, you get negative 9. Okay, and then vector PR. Okay, vector PR is R minus P. Point R minus P, negative 1, 5, 0, minus negative 2, 4, 5. So, negative 1 minus negative 2. Negative, positive. So, negative 1 plus 2, you get 1. 5 minus 4, you get 1. 0 minus 5, you get negative 5. So, dah cari vector. And then, barulah do cross product. Okay, PQ cross vector PR. Okay, vector PR. Then, I, J, K for the first row. Second row should be vector PQ, which is 2, 3, negative 9. And then, the last row should be vector PR, 1, 1, negative 5. Okay. Okay, so, cross product using determinants. Okay, awak calculate. Cuba calculate. Okay, the last answer, yang ni saya dah siap kira lah. The last answer should be negative 6I plus J minus K. This is the last answer. Okay, bila awak dah calculate using determinants, awak akan dapat ini, vector ni. Okay, and then apa? Soalan minta find the area of triangle. So, area of triangle. Area of triangle, formula dia 1 over 2 magnitude of vector PQ cross vector PR. Ataupun the length dia. So, 1 over 2. How to find the length of vector PQ cross PR? So, this is PQ cross PR yang ni. Kita dah dapat dah vector dia. So, square root negative 6 square plus 1 square. Okay, value the 1 kat sini. And then plus negative 1 square. Awak calculate, awak akan dapat 1 over 2 square root 38. So, the last answer should be square root 38 over 2. This is the answer to find the area of triangle. Alright? Dia faham nah? Tak faham boleh tanya dalam set, okay?